Open the Developer tab and click Visual Basic. Then go to Toolbox. Drag the checkbox into the user form. Remove the caption of the checkbox. Then place it beside the delete button. Double-click the checkbox and put this code. Then open our module. Type sub-delete 1 and then hit enter. Go back to UserForm 1. Then double-click the delete button. Select all the codes inside and cut. Now go back again into the module and inside sub-delete 1, paste the code. Then we need to create another sub. Type sub-delete multi. And inside put this code or just copy in the description. After we put the code, go back to UserForm 1. Then double-click the delete button and put this code. Just a quick reminder, all the codes that I put in this tutorial will be on the description of the video. Then go back to spreadsheet and run the system. Now let's try it. Note: if the checkbox is unchecked, the multiple delete is disabled. First you need to check the checkbox before you can use the multiple delete data. We got an error. I forgot that the me code is only applicable inside the UserForm 1. Let's change all the me code into UserForm 1 in our module. And also change the code main data into sheet 1. Now let's try it again. Check the checkbox first, then select some data and click the delete button. And now our system is working fine. So that's all for this. Thanks for watching. If you learned something, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated every time I upload videos. As always, thanks and be safe.